just finished the technical dress rehearsal and then we're gonna eat merienda.
It's Jollibee. Hi everyone! So today we're warming up for International Dance Day, a show in Metropolitan Theatre. Yay! Right now we're about to go sa Metropolitan na and we're about to finish our makeup and yeah.
What time's our rehearsal?
Our rehearsal will be at 1:15 po and then we're gonna have a run through ng 3 and then the show's at 6 p.m.
Yay!
Hi guys! So we're gonna go to lunch in the garden. Currently we're in the Met Theatre. Thank you, Pia. Okay, so let's go. This is the stage. That's the stage. I was pointing to the stage. We're in the wings right now. Yeah, it's super dark. Okay, so this is going to the backstage. So this is the lunch. Yes. Okay. Saan po yung lunch?
Saglit lang.
Okay. Hi. Okay. So we're just gonna wait for our lunch. Yeah, look at that. Oh wait, show it. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't bring my water jug. Currently they are renovating the Metropolitan Theatre. This is everyone else. Oh my god. Okay, so people. Shy. What? I'm shy. There's so much people. Our food's Tokyo. Okay, open. Let's see the pork. Ooh, that's our food. Okay. This is the chicken. Yes, okay. Hi guys, so we're backstage. Yes. We're side stage, basically.
Wings.
Literally.
We're on the wings.
So this is the stage.
So let's show the audience area.
This is the audience area.
May
There's a
balcony.
balcony. And the roof is
roof's
really
so pretty.
nice.
Show the sun.
And then, yeah.
Yes.
Let's
Let's have a closer look.
Okay, this is Ina and Gia. They weren't in the Marriott show. So now they're here. They had the exams. And then we're gonna go down the stairs. Then there's the sign. Watch your head. Oh, it's the sign that says Metropolitan.
Here.
Nice. And then this is it says International excuse me po.
Sorry.
International Dance Day 2020.
So here's the ceiling. And then here is our floor. It's lit up. Guys, walk. There's a runway here. Okay. So we're going out and we're going to tour you the outside. It's also very nice. The doors.
The architectural design. The interior. This is the amazing part. The door.
And this is the amazing part. Here's the lobby. Wait, there's the lobby. We look like... Oh, sorry. We look like we're in a cathedral. Here's the lobby. Go up. There's artwork.
This is the
Here are the doors of the Metropolitan. Yeah, follow us upstairs. Okay, so we're going up the stairs. And yeah, it's very nice here. So shall we?
Here's the view. Here's the view from the stairs.
So it looks like that.
Those are the doors going inside the theater if you're gonna watch.
If you've seen the Halili post, we post here before.
Or was it just your fingers? Do it again.
Here.
Did you bring your phone?
Okay.
Oh no.
Let's go up. Ooh, so this is the upstairs.
So this is the floor. It's very
Oh, here about the balcony.
metropolitan.
Those are the Here's the balcony.
So cool.
That's the view from the balcony.
It's so nice.
You can see.
You can see everything from here.
Leather?
We're in the balcony
Wow.
seats right now.
This is for the elites, the MVPs, the EV.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back.
This is the whole Metropolitan in doll size. Next is here.
Oh, there's more to do. And you can also enter through here for the balcony seat.
And this, I think. Oh my god. Siguro here. That's the garden. Oh, here's the garden. Oh, there's an elevator. Wait, nandito yung sila. We meet again. This is the garden.
Here's the garden.
It's so beautiful.
There's a fountain.
Like a papunta. It is courtyard.
The one kanina.
It's so pretty.
The other one's here.
Because this is where you have to put your place.
Hi po! Say hi to the vlog!
Shout out, guys!
What group is this?
We are the Junior New System.
What's your Instagram handle or
Our please like our Instagram page. Junior New System official and our Facebook page, Junior New System.
Hey! See you po, good luck!
Shout out Halili-Cruz!
Okay, so we're going back to our dressing room now. This is our dressing room. It's at the side of the stage. What does it say?
Halilicruzballet Company and NCD.
But then, is NCD there?
No.
This is Teacher Grace. Hi, Teacher Grace.
Wait, did
And then supposedly Teacher Ann. Just finished the technical dress rehearsal and then we're gonna eat merienda.
It's Jollibee. It's what time is it right now?
It is 5:19
And so our
and the show starts at 6, so we have to finish eating and be ready mga 5:45.
we are going to be the third dance. So yeah, we're going to go to. We're going across. This is Teacher Anna. We love her. Teka muna. And then there's water.
Burger. It's our merienda, Jollibee. I took one bite. Let's take another bite. Our schedule here is block, kain, sayaw.
Repeat.
Hey guys, this is the group that does ballroom. Say hi to our vlog. Hi. What's your group? Ballroom ensemble. National ballroom.
So we're gonna do a little interview. How old are you guys? I'm 13. No way. Oh my gosh, she's 13. How old are you? I'm 12. You're 12? She's 12. How old are you? 13. You're also 13? Ay, grabe, they're so young. How old are you? I'm 22. Ikaw yung ate. Ikaw yung ate nila. How long have you been dancing po?
Since I was 2 years old. So basically
exactly 20 years already.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So ballet talaga yung start mo?
Yes, ballet. Since she's my mom and she's my teacher as well.
So parang in-introduce mo na siya sa studio bago pa lang.
Yeah, it's not close open, it's point and flex.
Oh, gusto ko yan, point of flex. Hi, we're getting ready for the Metropolitan show.
Okay, so we decided to use this costume instead of the other one. Hi guys, it is almost showtime, like 2 more minutes. It's full house outside and we're excited. Full.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been 2 years. And for me, and for a lot of us here, that's actually been too long, if I'm not mistaken. So tonight, we have dancers, directors.
And that overall it will be a good performance. Lord, you know how hard we work for this?
HCSB dance!
I don't know what's this.
Halili-Cruzballet Company. Associate President and Directors, Ms. Grace Perez, Ms. Halili-Cruzballet.
Thank you so much to the management and production team of the Met for having us. Thank you to the management of the NCCA, ED Oscar Casaysay, DED Marichu Taliano, and Fernan Corpus. To our hardworking production team of the NCCA, Light Director Mr. Kach Katoy, and everyone who made this dance concert a great success. To you, our dear audience, give yourselves a round of applause. Let's celebrate dance! Sayaw, 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 sayaw. This is International Dance Day Concert 2022.
So this is Teacher Shirley, our artistic director. And we've just finished our Metropolitan show.
Congratulations!
Be kind, be grateful, do things with love, enjoy will find its way.
#WeAimToInspire